everyone, this is Valentina. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so excited to review a treadmill by UREVO. So this is a UREVO Under Desk Treadmill for home or for your office. UREVO is a global leading innovative home fitness company, and they're all about to create the correct and best resolutions for working out for us people as well. So this is a 2-in-1 Under Desk Treadmill. It has a fold-up and running design, as well as it's a foldable Under Desk walking treadmill. It also works with a UREVO Smart application. So through the Smart UREVO application, you can connect to the UREVO Sport app and access your workout reports. Whether you are a beginner or a fitness enthusiast, the UREVO treadmill and exercise application has you covered. It also has a double shock absorption, has a powerful silent motor, so it's quiet. There is no any assembling required, and the folding is extra easy. So guys, since I delivered, I gained tons of weight, and I was skinny and perfect and gorgeous for about 1 year after I delivered. And then I just stopped working out, stopped exercising, and my life just became laying down, working, resting, working, resting, eating. So I gained a lot of weight. As you could spot during my last few videos, it's just already like impossible to even look at myself in the mirror. It's terrible. I gained about 40 pounds in 1 year during the last year. And now it's time to get rid of this weight that I've gained. And I was looking and searching for resolution for my situation. So I'm working a lot. I'm working about 12 hours a day, plus I'm taking care of my toddler baby. She's not in a daycare. She's home all day, as well as I'm taking care of the house. I'm cooking, I'm cleaning. We don't have like any help. There is no any help coming here and cleaning instead of me. I'm doing it all by myself. So I have no time to exercise because I'm just so stressed from my work. I work a lot and I sit at my desk all the time. So I say that might be an amazing resolution for me if I will get Under the Desk Treadmill. And this is how I found UREVO. So with this Under Desk Treadmill, you can keep on working while you are exercising. And that's basically the only resolution and the only way for me to exercise even like a little bit, you know. So I will do about 1 hour walking on this treadmill every single day. And 1 hour of walking, it's an amazing exercise. I don't like to run. I love walk, but I walk really, really fast. If I walk also in real life, like naturally, I just a fast walker type of a person. So I said that will be the only, like my only chance to lose some weight and at least to get somehow into a shape that I used to be in, as well as that's basically my only chance to exercise, to do any type of exercising. And well, I have a crazy back pain because I do not exercise, and it's extra important to once again work out, exercise, at least walking. You know, walking, it's an amazing thing. It burns your calories in a great way, as well as it's like taking care of all of your body. It's increasing the blood flow through your body, the blood circulation, as well as it's good because it's like, you know, using your entire body. So walking is the best thing, and I always used to walk, and this is how I used to stay in shape. Now I basically have no time to walk. So this is why Under Desk Treadmill gonna be the best, like the best and basically only option for me to have a little bit some type of exercising. I am honestly obsessed with this treadmill by UREVO, guys. I cannot wait to tell you all about it and to review it in details. Well, let's get started with all the tech details and conversation. Well, let's get started. So this is a UREVO walking pad or Under Desk Treadmill for your home or office. And guys, this has a double shock absorption function. So the walking treadmill provides a 15 inches on 40.1 inches large track for any type of a free movements. So it's easy to work with this one, as well as the treadmill is equipped with a 5 layers of anti-slip belt, as well as it has 8 silicone shock absorbers and 2 soft rubber pads. It's not only provide you with a comfortable exercise experience, but it's also effectively reducing the joint impact and protect your knees. So you have a few modes to work with. You have the open running mode, which this one is going to be anywhere between 0.6 till 6.2 mile per hour. It also has a folding walking mode, which can do anywhere between 0.6 up to 4 miles per hour. It can also be adjusted according to your personal needs, so it's fully customized and can be personalized with different options. It's not only for running, but it's also to use under your desk. So I'm an extra busy business lady, so I have no time to exercise. I spend most of my day in front of my computer with my standing/sitting working desk. And the only exercise I do is actually sometimes working while I'm standing, because that's the best thing to do for your spine. Well, an Under Desk Treadmill is the best and basically only option for me to exercise like any type of exercising. So I love using this one under my desk when I'm watching some movies or maybe just relaxing and doing some online shopping. I love using this one under my desk, so I am doing 2 things at the same same time exercising, by walking. I hate running, so I only walk. And as well as while I'm walking and exercising, I am actually working or watching a movie, just killing two birds at a time, and I absolutely love that. This treadmill also equipped with a remote control with a one key to eliminate the prompt sound function for an easy adjustment on the go, as well as the back of the remote control is equipped with a magnet. So this remote can be attached to the treadmill to prevent any loss when not in use. Also, it's very comfortable just to know all the time where is your remote, because I have remotes all around my house, and when I need one of them, gosh, it takes me a day to find the one that I really need. This one is also extra powerful and silent. So this one is equipped with a powerful 2.25 HP motor with a maximum load of 265 pounds. The motor of the treadmill has a stable and high weight capacity, and it's also very extra quiet. So you can exercise anywhere without worrying about yourself and others being disturbed with the noise of the treadmill, because there is no any noise. It works with a smart application, as I told you before, so you can connect to the UREVO Sport application and access your workout reports. It will show you all the statistics, all the data of your workout, what you have done, how many calories you burned, and so when and for how long. That's an amazing thing to have, and I enjoy just watching my workouts and my exercising history, because it gives me even more motivation to keep on working out. So it doesn't matter if you are a beginner or a fitness professional, well, the UREVO treadmill and the exercise app that comes with the treadmill will definitely get you covered the same way it covered me. It also has an LED display, which is clear, and it's going to show times, calories, steps, speed, and distance. All these parameters are necessary while you're working out on this treadmill, and it's great to know all these. I hate gym equipment that doesn't have that, because that's the very basic. So it's an amazing addition to this treadmill, and I love the LED display, which shows me every single thing that happened right here in a real time. This one also has a quick and easy folding design, and this is necessary for any space saving, so you can easily just store it, under your desk or against your wall or under your bed. And guys, don't miss the great opportunity to celebrate the upcoming Black Friday sale. UREVO is offering an exclusive discount to all customers who add their products to their shopping cart before the sale day. By doing so, you can get a special discount on Black Friday. So what you should do is you should go ahead, click the link down below in the description to this video of mine. Even if you're not sure if you're gonna buy, if you're not sure about that, just put it into your cart. You don't even have to buy. Just put it into your cart, and you will get an extra discount on the Black Friday day, only because you are having this product in your cart. So guys, be so very sure to check UREVO. I am gonna leave you all of the links down below at the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other type of information like coupon code, sales, promotions, and so very on. So guys, that was actually all for today. Once again, I'm obsessed with UREVO. It's definitely helping me to exercise at least a little bit, while I'm watching movies, while I'm watching some TV shows, or while I'm working on my computer, or even during my Zoom conference calls. Of course, not of them, but these people that are fine with me during the Zoom call, I'm doing that with them. Because, some people don't mind that, some people think it's rude, so it truly depends on the type of a person, but absolutely doable during your Zoom calls as well. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.